If you're a small or medium limited company business here in the UK, then lowering your corporation tax bill is no doubt a welcome tactic for you as a business owner. Introducing the new super deduction that allows you to do exactly this. In this video, we will cover what exactly is a super deduction, what can you claim for the super deduction, and how much tax can you save with a worked example. The super deduction was announced in the Budget 2021 and is applicable from the 1st of April 2021. It applies to limited company business owners only, and unfortunately traditional sole traders and partnerships cannot benefit from this generous tax incentive. The super deduction offers 130% first year relief on qualifying main rate plant and machinery investments until the 31st of March 2023. So to put things simply, it can save your company 25 pence in corporation tax for every £1 invested. The super deduction fact sheet published by HM Treasury succinctly bullet points their reasons for introducing the super deduction. In the main, it's been brought in to incentivize businesses like yours to invest and spend, as so there can be a stimulus in the economy after the COVID-19 pandemic. You can download a copy of the handout absolutely free by clicking on the link in the description box below. At the beginning of April, we granted early access to the Accounting and Tax Academy membership site. In July of this year, we're opening our doors to everyone. Our members will have access to in-depth tutorials, free downloads, and exclusive discounts. And the best part is, it's absolutely free to join. Head to the link in the description box below to register your interest today. So what exactly are qualifying main rate plant and machinery investments? Well, there is not an exhaustive list as such, but the kinds of assets which may qualify for the super deduction include, but are not limited to, computer equipment and servers, including laptops and peripherals, office chairs, desks and furniture, tractors, lorries, vans, in other words, commercial vehicles, electric vehicle charge points, refrigeration units, solar panels. The HM Treasury handout provides some more detail on eligibility of different types of investments or different types of capital allowances. Let's explore this question with a numerical example. Bill runs a limited company called Bill's Media and IT Services Limited. In the current year, Bill purchased £10,000 of office and computer equipment for his company. This included laptops, printers, an office desk chair, and other peripherals. All the hardware is deemed to have a useful life of 5 years maximum. Bill's Media and IT Services Limited made £50,000 of accounting profits in the current year, and this is after deducting £2,000 of depreciation in the first year of ownership of the office and computer equipment. Bill's Media and IT Services Limited's corporation tax bill at 19% of £50,000 amounted to £9,500, and this is without claiming the super deduction. So Bill has heard about this super deduction and decides to approach us for some advice. It is assessed that the equipment Bill has purchased is indeed eligible for capital allowances and hence the super deduction. The company will get the £10,000 spent on the equipment as a deductible capital allowance, plus an additional £3,000 as part of the super deduction, giving a total capital allowance of £13,000. So we recomputed Bill's Media and IT Services Limited corporation tax bill as follows. Accounting profits of £50,000, add back the depreciation of £2,000 and deduct £13,000 for the super deduction, gives taxable profits of £39,000. And the corporation tax liability at 19% on the taxable profits is £7,410. This has provided Bill's company with a tax saving of £2,090. So you can see how powerful this super deduction is. If you invest in qualifying plant and equipment that is greater than £10,000, then 130% of this will only provide your business with a larger tax saving. On average, for every £1 your business invests in qualifying plant and machinery, it will benefit from 25 pence of corporation tax relief through the super deduction. But a word of caution, don't go and just spend on plant and equipment just because you'll save some tax through a super deduction. Always make sure there is a commercial justification for your business. I hope this video has helped you understand how you can lower your corporation tax bill for your company and taking you one step closer to knowing your numbers. As always, let me know in the comments your thoughts on today's video or if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Finally, be sure to like and subscribe as this really does help us to get our content out there. This is Tony D'Angelo for the Accounting and Tax Academy. Thanks for tuning in.